Hello students, welcome to the Fun Known. Today we'll be seeing types of algebraic expression, which is very important students. There are four main types of algebraic expression. First is known as monomial expression. Monomial expression, a algebraic expression having only one term, monomial expression. Mono means single, one term. So an algebraic expression having one term is known as monomial. Example, a expression with only x4, with only 2, with only 3x square y. No operators are there in middle. Students, see here, only one term, 31x4 raised to 4 basically. So a expression which doesn't have other term, which have only single term, is known as monomial expression. Monomial expression. Next is binomial expression. Bi means two. So expression which have two terms is known as binomial expression. Here students, see, 15x square is one term, 5x is another term. Both the terms have one operator in middle. 12x square is one term, 2x is another term. Both the operations, both the numbers have operator subtraction in middle. So this is how. If there are two terms, then it is known as binomial. If there is one term, then it is known as monomial expression. We'll go for the third one, which is known as trinomial expression, a expression which have three terms together. Example, 5x square. See, this is an expression, 5x square plus 4x3 plus 5. 1, 2 and 3. Three terms together, so it is known as trinomial. You look at here, second expression, 4x cube minus 3x plus 2y. Again, three terms together, that's why it is known as trinomial. Next is polynomial. In polynomial, a expression having more than one term, or we can say that more than three terms, the expression having one or more than two terms, three terms, more than one term itself, you can say, is known as polynomial, students. So example can be 4x, 5x square plus 9, this 3, 4, 5, whichever expression having one or more than one term. Even one term or more than one term is known as polynomial. So monomial means, if we are talking about monomial expression, monomial is 100% single expression, या single term. Binomial means two terms in one expression. Trinomial means three terms in one expression. Polynomial means one or more than one terms in expression is known as polynomial. I hope students you understood these were four main types of algebraic expressions. We'll go further and we'll have a look into likes and unlike term. What do you mean by like term? What do you mean by unlike term? See, like term is when having a same algebraic factor, they are like term. So when a algebraic expression have a same algebraic factors, they are known as like terms. Second value, a term that contain same variables which is raised to same power, means same variable xx and even raised to the power which is raised is also same, x square like that. The algebraic like terms are only numerical coefficient can vary. Example, look over here students, 9xyz, xyz, these are known as like terms. Why? Because xyz, they are like, they don't have any what I can say raised to form. 5xyz minus 4, this is an example. In this factor 9xyz, that is 9x comma y comma z. Second term 5xyz, that is 5x comma y comma z. Hence, both the factors or both the terms has same constant. That's why this both term 9x comma y comma z, that is 9xyz and 5xyz are like terms, or terms which have same raised power. As you can see, both the terms have same raised power, that is 1, nothing is there, and they are like, means the constant or the variable is same, xyz and xyz. That's why 9xyz and 5xyz are like terms. Now, we'll understand, if you have seen like terms, we'll understand what do you mean by unlike terms. So, when terms have different factors, students, so it is known as unlike term. That is, different variables, different power. The term which contain different variables, which is raised by different power or same power also, but variable is different, then it is known as unlike term. Go to this example, students. See, 9xyz and 5xyz, this was, we have already seen, this was like variable. But here 3x, look at this, 3x is 3 and x, and 5xyz, if we are taking this variable, then 5xyz. Here yz variables are there, but in 3x it's only x, no yz is there. Hence, if we are talking about these two terms will be known as unlike term, right? Because they are not same to each other. These two terms will be an unlike term. So 3x and 5xyz or 3x and 9xyz will be unlike term because they don't have two variables yz in common between them. But if you are talking about like term, then 9xyz and 5xyz are like term because they have common variables plus common same power. Basically, we can say same raised to power. Okay. Points to remember while finding the like terms. So the first point which you have to remember while finding the like term is the alphabet and small letter is not considered as same. That means, students, alphabet means capital letter. So a capital letter and a small letter is not considered as same in an expression. It is considered as two different terms. For example, you can see on the screen small x and capital X in an expression will be considered as a different term. Now let us see with an example, students, how it will be. Here there is one expression in which x, which is small x, plus 2y plus capital X, and the question is they are expecting you to give the answer of how many terms are there in the expression. So students, count the terms in the expression. How many terms are there in the expression? Count. Yes. Small x is one term. 2y is another term. Because they have already told you small x and capital X are different. So capital X will be another term. So as for me, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 terms in this expression. Let us see the answer. Yes, there are 3 terms, which is x, 2y and capital X. Now go to the second expression, students. 3a plus 5a. As you can see, one is small a and one is capital A. That means, students, there are 2 terms, 3a and 5a, in this expression. Now, students, let us understand the second point of how we are going to find their like terms. The same power containing terms with same variables can be counted as one term. Means, if there is same power and same variables, that means you can count that term as one term. Let us check with an example, students. Here there is an example where the expression is x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4 minus 9x square. If you can see, students, x raised to 4 and x raised to 4, this x is a variable and 4 is the power. As you can see here, variable and power is same. Here variable and power is same. Basically these two terms have same variables and same power. So as per our topic which is given to us, as per the point which is given to us, we can say that these two terms can be considered as one term, or we can count this two term as one term. Let us see how you will count this two term as one term in an expression. As you can see, if there is nothing, that means we consider it as one, right? So what we'll do in the example, we can see that we can consider this as 1, and you will just add 1x squared. Yes, you got me. It is x raised to 4. So 1x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4. That means when 5 plus 1, it will be 6x raised to 4. So this is how you can write, students. 6x raised to 4 minus 9x squared will be our new expression, because we can add this both term, and we can, by adding this both term, we can make this both term as one term. That means two same variables, same power term can get added and can be considered as a single term. This was one example. There's another one example. Just check out the another example, students. 5x squared plus 4x cubed plus 5x squared. But students, have you noticed over here what is the difference between 2x? Yes, 1x means the first term, 5x squared, the x is small letter x, and in the third term you will see then the x is capital letter X. That means as per our point number 1, these term 5x squared and this term 5x squared are different, because small x will be considered as different term, and 5x square, which is capital X, will be considered as different term. So now if there is a question to count the terms in this expression, then you can say 5x square is one term, 4x cube is another term, and 5x square, which is a capital X, is another term. So you can say here three terms are there: 5x square, small x, 4x cube, 5x square, which is capital X. X square and x square, even though they have the same power, but just because small x and capital X are different terms, so will be considered as two different terms. Okay. Thank you so much for being with us on Fun Noon. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you, students.